This is core composer, model number C2. How do we installation and assemble the core composer when you receive container? First, we disabled the head with the correction conveyor. So first I need to connect the conveyor belt part with the body. So how do we assemble it? You use crane, lift up this conveyor belt part. First, this is the first step. Need to screw the angle support. First, need to screw the angle support. This one, screw and fasten it. Second, you just need to fasten this part. Second is this part. This one is we just pull up. You need to pull down and fasten this pin. Just fasten each pin. Then third, you just pull down and also fasten this pin. Then okay, you see this is the whole line. So one fasten this, second fasten this one, then third this one. The another side, the opposite side, both sides it is the same procedure. Then this is the hand rotary valve. Just fasten this, all connected wheel. So you just need to fasten the bolts and the screws. That is the hand rotary valve. Then you just need to connect the display with control button. Then you need also to set this limit liner. This limit liner. Just put the limits here, like this. That is for assemble the body with conveyor correction belt. After assembling the front head, then the back side, it is first you fasten and screw this steel pallet and also this pallet, liner pallet. Just fasten the parts, both sides. The third step, it is the machine to body. The machine to body need to find the floor be at the same level. Keep the floor at the same level. It is 4 legs, body 4 legs, and also stacker 4 legs. You need to find the level. Then to ensure the body and the stacker, it is at the same level. It is at the same floor level. Then you need to find the centralization, body centralization, and also the stacker centralization. Find the centralized line. After flooring level and also centralization, then you need to keep the body and the stacker, the distance for C2, the distance as 2.52 meter. For C2 model, 2.52 meter. If B1 model, the distance will be 2.82. the distance, the head and the stacker distance. Each model, the distance is different. The fifth step, it is assembling the tube, the square tube, 4 lines, total 4 lines, and also the U-bar, like this. Ensure you are fasten and screw like this. This is like this shape. 4 tube and U-bar, 2 U-bar. Assembling and fasten with screws. The sixth step, it is after assembling the tube and the U-bar, you need to connect the grain belt, the conveyor belt. Connect 4 grain belt. After connect the grain belt wheel, you need to connect the cable. The seventh step, it is the machine main body cable. Normally it is backside at the backside of body, so we just need to connect the main cable. The main cable into this line, then you according to the diagram of a drawing for electricity connection, then you connect each line. This step needed to combine with needed to according to the diagram of cable electricity connection diagram. The eighth step, it is you need to pull out this rod. You need to pull out this rod from the stacker and connect the optional switch. Keep the optional switch position like this. Connect the rod and also optional switch. The ninth step, it is you fasten this pallet to hold the hot melt yarn. Put the pallet on the top of air conditioner, just screw and fasten it. Then the final step for installation of the machine, it is connect the main power, electricity power cabinet. Connect the electricity. Then check the display, set display, and each button, cable buttons. Then you will finish the installation. Then for trail running, we need to create a group with our engineers. Can be group talk.